Hello fellow DIY enthusiasts, are you ready to embark on a rewarding journey? We are going to build a stunning, solid wood table together. This project is perfect for adding a touch of handcrafted elegance to your home. A solid wood table is not just a piece of furniture, it's a statement. It reflects your craftsmanship and adds warmth to your living space. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of woodworking. This guide will be your trusted companion every step of the way. We'll explore everything from choosing the right wood to putting the finishing touches on your masterpiece. No prior woodworking experience is required, just bring your enthusiasm and a willingness to learn. Let's begin this exciting adventure. Choosing the right wood is crucial for the success of your project. Each wood species has unique characteristics, affecting the table's appearance, durability, and overall feel. Let's explore some popular choices. Oak is known for its strength and beautiful grain pattern. It's a classic choice for furniture making. Walnut is prized for its rich dark color and stunning grain patterns. It adds a touch of luxury to any piece. Maple is a hard and durable wood with a fine, even grain. It's known for its light color and smooth finish. Pine is a softer wood that is easy to work with. It has a rustic charm and is a budget-friendly option. Mahogany is a luxurious hardwood, known for its reddish-brown color and beautiful grain. It's a classic choice for high-end furniture. Consider your desired style, budget, and the table's intended use when choosing your wood. Don't hesitate to ask for advice at your local lumberyard. Before we begin, let's gather the essential tools and materials. Having everything ready will streamline the process and make your woodworking experience more enjoyable. For this project, you will need measuring tape and a pencil for accurate measurements and marking, a circular saw or table saw for making straight cuts, a jigsaw for making curved cuts if needed for your table design, a power drill and screws for assembling the table, wood glue for added strength and stability, clamps to hold the wood pieces together while the glue dries, sandpaper in various grits to smooth the wood surfaces, wood stain or paint optional to enhance the wood's color, polyurethane or another protective finish to seal and protect the wood, safety glasses and ear protection for your safety. It's always wise to double-check your measurements and make sure you have all the necessary materials before you start cutting. The tabletop is the heart of your table, so let's start by creating this beautiful surface. A well-crafted tabletop not only adds functionality but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space. Begin by measuring and marking your chosen wood boards for the tabletop. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure that all pieces fit together seamlessly. Ensure they are the desired length and width for your table. Double-check your measurements to avoid any mistakes that could affect the final product. Use a circular saw or table saw to make precise cuts along the marked lines. Take your time with this step to achieve clean, straight edges. Once the boards are cut, arrange them side by side to create the tabletop pattern you envision. This is your chance to get creative and design a unique tabletop. You can choose to arrange them in a simple straight pattern, or get creative with a herringbone or chevron design. Each pattern offers a different visual appeal. With the boards arranged, it's time to sand them smooth. Sanding is essential for removing any rough spots and preparing the wood for finishing. Sanding ensures a level and even surface, preparing the wood for assembly and finishing. Inspect the surface carefully to make sure it's perfectly smooth. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper to remove any imperfections, and gradually move to finer grits for a smooth finish. This step is crucial for achieving a professional look. Now let's assemble the tabletop. This is where all your hard work starts to come together. Apply wood glue to the edges of the boards where they will connect. Be generous with the glue to ensure a strong bond. Carefully align the boards and press them together firmly. Make sure the edges are perfectly aligned for a seamless look. Use clamps to hold the boards securely in place while the glue dries completely. Clamping is essential to prevent any gaps between the boards. This step ensures a strong and lasting bond between the boards. Once the glue is dry, your tabletop will be ready for the final touches. Section 5. Building a sturdy foundation. Constructing the table base step by step. With the tabletop complete, we can move on to building the table base, which will provide the necessary support and stability. The base typically consists of legs and an apron, which connects and reinforces the legs. Start by cutting the table legs to the desired height. You can choose from various styles for the legs, such as straight, tapered, or turned legs. Once the legs are cut, it's time to create the apron. The apron consists of 4 pieces of wood that will connect the legs and provide support for the tabletop. Measure and cut the apron pieces to the correct length, ensuring they fit snugly between the legs. Use wood glue and screws to attach the apron pieces to the legs, creating a sturdy frame. Make sure the corners are square and the legs are properly aligned during assembly. Section 6. Enhancing beauty and durability, sanding, staining, and protecting your masterpiece. Now that the table is assembled, it's time to enhance its natural beauty and protect it for years to come. This process not only brings out the wood's inherent charm but also ensures its longevity. Begin by sanding the entire table, paying attention to any rough edges or imperfections. Sanding is crucial as it prepares the surface for staining and finishing, ensuring a smooth and even application. Start with a medium grit sandpaper and gradually move to a fine grit sandpaper for a smooth and polished finish. This step helps to remove any previous coatings and smooth out the wood grain. Once the sanding is complete, you can choose to stain the wood to enhance its color or leave it natural for a more rustic look. Staining can add depth and richness to the wood, highlighting its unique patterns. If you decide to stain the table, apply the stain evenly following the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area and use a clean cloth or brush for the best results. Allow the stain to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Drying times can vary, so be patient to ensure the best finish. To protect your table from spills, scratches, and everyday wear and tear, it's essential to apply a protective finish. This will create a barrier that keeps the wood looking pristine. Polyurethane is a popular choice for its durability and resistance to moisture. It comes in various finishes from matte to glossy, allowing you to choose the look you prefer. Apply several thin coats of polyurethane, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. This layering technique builds up a strong protective surface. This step will seal and protect the wood, ensuring your table maintains its beauty for years to come. With proper care, your masterpiece will remain a cherished part of your home. Section 7. Adding your personal flair styling tips for a unique and elegant table. In this section we will explore various ways to make your table not just a functional piece of furniture but a true centerpiece of your home. Congratulations, you've successfully built your stunning solid wood table. This is a significant achievement, and now it's time to make it shine even more by adding your personal touch. Now comes the fun part, adding your personal touch and styling it to complement your home decor. This is where you can let your creativity flow and make the table truly yours. Here are a few ideas to inspire you. Choose the perfect chairs. The right chairs can enhance the overall look and feel of your dining area. Selecting the right chairs can make a big difference. Consider the style, comfort, and how they match or contrast with your table. You can opt for chairs that complement the table's style or create an eclectic look by mixing and matching different styles. This can add a unique charm to your dining space. Dress it up with a tablecloth or runner. These can instantly change the look of your table and add a touch of elegance. A tablecloth or runner can add a pop of color, pattern, or texture to your table. Choose one that complements your overall decor theme. Choose fabrics that complement your decor and the overall style of your dining area. Create a centerpiece that draws attention and adds character. A centerpiece is a great way to add visual interest to your table. It can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. You can use flowers, candles, or decorative objects to create a focal point that reflects your style. Consider placemats and coasters to add both functionality and style. Placemats and coasters not only add a decorative touch but also protect your table from scratches and spills. They can be a fun way to introduce new colors and textures. Remember, the key is to have fun and let your creativity shine through. Your table should be a reflection of your personal style and taste. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and arrangements until you achieve the desired look. The possibilities are endless, and the goal is to create a space that you love. Section 8. Sharing your creation with the world, showcasing your woodworking prowess. You've poured your heart and soul into creating a beautiful and functional piece of furniture. Now it's time to share your accomplishment with the world. Capture stunning photos. Take high-quality photos of your finished table to showcase your craftsmanship. Choose a well-lit area and experiment with different angles to capture the table's best features. Share on social media. Share your photos and woodworking journey on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, using relevant hashtags to connect with fellow DIY enthusiasts. inspire others. Your creation might just inspire someone else to embark on their own woodworking adventure. Share your experience, tips, and tricks with others who are interested in learning this rewarding craft. Remember, sharing your work is not just about showing off, it's about connecting with a community of like-minded individuals who appreciate the art of woodworking. Section 9. Conclusion. The joys of building your own solid wood table. Building your own solid wood table is an incredibly rewarding experience. It allows you to tap into your creativity, learn new skills, and create a beautiful and functional piece of furniture that will be cherished for years to come. The journey from selecting the wood to adding the final touches is filled with moments of pride and accomplishment. And the best part? You'll have a stunning table that reflects your unique style and craftsmanship, a testament to your dedication and skill. So, go ahead and gather your tools, unleash your inner woodworker, and embark on this exciting adventure. The satisfaction of building something with your own hands is an experience like no other. Happy woodworking!